I just bought one of my dream cars. Hi, my name is Divan and welcome back to the channel. So, I picked up one of my dream cars on Friday afternoon, and yesterday it rained and I had to go into work, so I didn't really have time to make a video. So, today I'm introducing my brand new car. Well, my new car. It's not brand new, but my new car. Um, I'm super excited. I drove it quite a lot on Friday, just feeling the car and getting the first drive in. And well, now it's time to reveal the car. So this is my brand new Golf 6R. And I'm sorry for if it's a little bit windy. It is currently out cloudy and the wind is a bit blowing, but check out this, guys. I'm so excited for this car. It drives so nice, and I've been really enjoying the car since I went to pick it up. This car's an absolute beast. So the car is completely stock. The guy that I bought it from had it for 4 years. It had a full service history on it and everything. The only things the guys did is he went and put HREs 19s on. He only cut open the cat and just took out the insides and welded it closed. And it only also has a stage 1 tune from SAC on it, making around 230 kilowatt now. So I have some big plans for this car. I have three builds planned out for this car. So it's gonna be a fun journey. That I can't wait for it. The first build will I still want to be let it be done this year. Guys, I absolutely love the sound of this car, and since it still has the silencers and cat and everything in it, it still sounds so super nice, and it makes like a whistling sound when you're driving, when it's like loading, being under pressure. So I don't know if you guys will hear it inside the car, but we'll see. So guys, here's the inside of the car. This car is still in basically perfect condition. The seats are still super nice. The interior is in really good condition, and I'm so stoked and happy for that. And the guy also did just put these paddle shifters on, and the car only has 147,000 Ks on it. Super low, and I'm just so really happy with how this car is and the condition it is in. And I've been looking months for this car. Well, I've actually saved this car on Facebook Marketplace months back, and I didn't come to realize that until recently, maybe like a couple days before I went to buy the car, and it made it feel like a little bit extra to know that I've actually been looking at this car for months and I didn't even know about it until a couple days back. So this is special for me. So yeah, enjoy the ride, guys. So unfortunately, I don't have somebody with me today that can film the video, so I'm doing it alone. So it's gonna be a quite difficult and stuff, so I won't be able to drive in manual mode, but I'll do my best. yes, guys, this car really sounds amazing, and every time I climb inside this car, I have such a huge smile on my face, and I'm just absolutely in love with this car. Okay, guys, let's go for launch control off, manual mode. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. So this is my E90. You guys have seen this car previously on the channel. It's in pieces, yes. There's actually a really funny story. There's actually a story behind it. So about a month ago, I was on my way to the Rock Raceway. On my way there, I hit a dog accidentally. It was quite a big dog actually, and I was going, I think, around 100, which is speed limit. And it was dark, and it was dark, and the dog literally just came out of nowhere, and I didn't see it, and I hit the dog on the right here on the left hand side of my car. It completely bent my radiator, condenser. It broke my fan in pieces, broke my water pipe off right here. Here's the old one still laying here, never picked it up. So it completely snapped it off over there. It was connected there, so it completely snapped that off. So I had to replace that. It broke over here, but I plastic welded it. And now the car's back together again after a long while, and I can't wait to get this car back up and running again. I really do miss this car. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update on the car. It's really dirty, as you can see, because it's been standing and I haven't got the time to wash it again. But oh yeah, this car's dirty now from the rain. Sheesh. She needs a wash. But yeah, to see these two cars next to each other is really a sight to see for me, and it's actually a dream coming true. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and if you want to see me build this car up. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next on the car, or what I should do, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and always keep believing and never stop moving forward.